everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm doing a very natural bronze, no makeup smoky eyes. This makeup will fit any occasion from everyday wear to an evening out or photo shoot or any event. As always, it is very easy to repeat and fits any type of appearance. Welcome my beautiful model, Dasha. Her look today will be really romantic and natural with these open shoulders and beautiful relaxed wavy hair. And she has very soft face lines, so I don't want to overload her with a heavy makeup. I will do everything really thin, transparent and blended without harsh lines. So I start, like always, with preparing the skin, and I'm cleansing it with my favorite toner, pressing it in and really exfoliating and polishing the skin. Next I apply this hydrating cream lotion. It works like a nurturing but light base that hydrates the skin and creates a silky texture for future applications of the foundation and concealer. I apply a decent amount starting from the center of the face and distribute everything with a flat brush towards the sides. And I prepare her lips with this MAC scrub. It consists of hydrating oils and sugar pieces, which exfoliates the lips, so you can recover dry lips with it. I use a very light hydrating foundation with low coverage and glowing finish. I apply it with the dots and start distributing with a soft fluffy brush right in the skin. It looks very vivid, definitely not overloaded, and you can apply additional layers to increase the coverage in particular areas to reach maximum natural effect. This foundation looks better on the camera once it sits for some time, so don't worry if right now it looks a little bit uneven. And I'm moving on to concealing. I apply very thin layers of concealer with a flat brush under the eyes and do a minimum correction of some red spots on the skin, but nothing really heavy. And then I blend with a fluffy brush. Right now it might seem not so even, but no worries. I will additionally blend everything together later. I will apply this adjuster as a bronzer. This is a very pigmented warm brown cream used to mix the foundation and make it warmer and darker. But I noticed that with this particular foundation it works extremely well just as a cream contour or cream bronzer. And because I apply it with the same brush as I applied the foundation, it looks really natural, like a light sun kiss. As a blush, I will apply a matte lipstick. I mix together two colors, peachy orange and dusty pink, and get something neutral, and apply on the cheeks and on the lips, creating a very trendy, transparent blended pigment. Next, I apply some liquid highlighter on the cheekbones, eyelids, and a bit on the nose and lips. This highlighter is very delicate, but at the same time long-staying. It actually doesn't need any fixing on top with a powder product, but at the same time it creates a really good base if you want a very strong shining effect. So we already have a very beautiful, even and natural looking skin, and I will apply a bit of transparent powder in the center of the face to mattify and blur this area. But it's important to be careful with transparent powders because applying too much can add an aging effect and a dry look to the skin. What I do is I take a very big brush and very little product on it and apply just slightly, touching the skin without pressing or dragging too hard. And I'm adding some beautiful bronzing powder on the forehead, cheekbone and jawline, a little bit on the chin and on the nose, and enhancing this healthy and glowy tan effect on the skin. And I added this sparkling blush on the upper halves of the cheeks for a healthier and more fresh look. Next step, I'm making very natural looking brows. First, I'm brushing them up and adding some brow gel to fix the shape and to see where should I add some color, not to overload the brows. Then I start filling them in with a blonde pencil. For eye makeup, I will use the most universal products and colors. I start with creating a shape with a cream eyeshadow stick in a beautiful shimmery cool brown color. I create a small wing and blend it in and out directly after applying, and I already have a beautiful smoky effect on the eyes. Now I will fix everything with this matte light caramel eyeshadows with a small pointed but fluffy brush. I tap the shadows in the outer corner first and then blend them along the edge with the same brush. Then I connect the color on the upper lid with the lower lid and blend the edges with a clean blending brush. Then with the lightest color, I'll go through the middle of the lid and the inner corner and blend it in the previous color. And I take some beautiful metallic bronze and add it on top of the brown. After each step, I blend the colors together with my clean blending brush. And I keep adding color and blending until I reach the saturation I want, and the edges look perfectly smudged. For the inner corner, I will take this light gold sparkle. Then I fill in the lash line with a soft dark chocolate color pencil and moving on to the mascara to make very natural but defined and black lashes. I make 2 or 3 layers of mascara on the upper lashes and 1 layer on the lower lashes so that it looks balanced. And here is our eye makeup. And I did the second eye behind the scenes, and that's how the final eyes look. 2 final steps that I do are the lips. I will add some beautiful shining gloss. And I will add some foundation mixed with a highlighter on the chest area to highlight a little bit her beautiful collarbones. And this is the final look. Now let's watch before and after. I think the model looks just gorgeous both with and without makeup, but this look gave her a very romantic and confident mood. I thank you for watching, and please hit the like button if you enjoyed watching this makeup process, and subscribe for more similar videos. I wish you all a great weekend and see you next time. Ciao, ciao!